If you hate to hear me chew, please skip to 6 minutes and 28 seconds of this video. Thank you. Good morning, or I should say good afternoon, you guys. Hi, how are you? Yeah, so my battery died yesterday. So I never get fair. Give one of them a review and come in. Babe, what we come in last night, condo?
All kind of things going last night.
We never do anything last night. People will come in.
Yeah.
So I'm asking, what did we do?
I remember. No, all it things.
Exactly. Clearly nothing
so
to
much that when I remember.
It's clearly not good enough to remember. Yeah. So yeah. Yeah, battery died, everything, so couldn't really get for come back. Yeah, but in terms of review, okay, cool. Alright. Jesus Christ. I've been seeing this restaurant for a long time, especially because it's in Portmore, and normally we have to leave out of Portmore to go do things. So I was like, alright, cool, this is local, let me check it out, whatever. Made reservations through WhatsApp. Everything in terms of that was good. Arrived on time. Everything was good. We were able to pick our own seating. All of them something they did good. Cool. All right. Whatever. Seat now. Order. The man took an order and him tell us it's gonna be 25-30 minute wait. Right? That was like 5:45. Curfew, mind you, is at 7 o'clock. Okay? Just keep it in mind. All right. So we ordered the food, everything, whatever. Didn't know, just had chat and I wait for the food to come. The man comes back maybe 20 minutes later, not exaggerating, 20 minutes later, and says that there is no. I ordered the pineapple escovitch lobster. Man came back 20 minutes later, okay?
About 50.
I'm not gonna say 20. And he said that there was no lobster. Oh God. Said that there was no lobster. Okay, so yeah.
Alright, you want to run go catch it before you go on?
Alright, go on. So Bobby goes and waits in the line for me. So yeah, I came back and said there was no lobster, whatever. So I had to look back on the menu again to see what a second option would be. Figured that out. Took him about 10 minutes to come back after he let me know that. And then waited again. So I was like, does this take off of my time? Where's how it's chicken I'm buying? And he was like, no. And I was like, okay. So anyways, literally did not get served until 6:45. Yeah, 6:45. It was like 6:46 or something. Mind you, curfew was at 7 o'clock, okay? And yeah, so they brought us the Babe's meal, whatever. His side, they said, was sold out. They didn't tell us that until they brought the meal. So he got stuck with a side, and yeah, and it was just where we were sitting, they didn't turn on the lights over that part. The mosquitoes were killing me, so they had to come bring like a little candle something and put it underneath the table, but they still didn't turn on lights around that part where we were sitting and stuff, which I wish they would have let me know that ahead of time, because when nighttime falls, it's dark and it's an outside setting. But yeah, in terms of food, I think Babe said he loved his oxtail. He said the bone was tender, everything was tender till him all charred on the bone. My chicken, I ended up getting like a stuffed Parmesan chicken or whatever. That was alright. The mashed potatoes, me never love it. The macaroni and cheese could have been a little bit more cheesier, but it was good. I'm happy I got that. And yeah, overall it was pretty decent. There's some things that they can definitely tweak out, but would I go back there again? Yes, absolutely, I definitely would. A lot earlier. And maybe not on a weekend. Plus they had an event there yesterday night, so maybe that was why. But yeah, apart from that, it was pretty good. We're on the road right now. We're gonna go to the grocery store, pick up some stuff. It's Sunday. Probably cook something this evening. I have a lady that is going to come meet me.
Yeah, look, let's give me the car and then I'm going there. I'm gonna reach up my front there. Hey, I go to my go there because 3 people come right back on.
I have one lady where I carry one cake come for me, one Christmas cake. And yeah, I think that's all we really have to do. And then I'm gonna go get something to eat at KFC because I haven't eaten. Y'all, I don't know. This trip, I haven't really eaten breakfast, which is weird. But I'm not really eating a breakfast. I'm not really, you know? But yeah. So yeah. That is the plan for today. So when we get back on the road, I'll come back to you guys. Yeah, okay, bye.
You know, have a cut up now.
Guys, babe is getting fruits. He's sick.
Feeling pregnant-ish. Over. What are you?
Oh.
Fruits?
Yes.
See there? So fruits stand, you know? Well, one, I have a whole heap of fruits place on the stretch there. A whole heap of fruit.
Money with them picture, yes.
Yeah, man. I said it got broad, man. The fruits.
Yo, that's how we do it, man.
That's how we do it, man. See, the fruit, them man are out there every day.
Nobody.
Every day. I even buy jelly from us to come have it. Boy, the frog banana them too, because I don't know the banana there, you know. Frog banana.
Big up himself and tell them where they can find him.
Yeah, for big up yourself and tell them where them can find it, you know.
Same place as some man in the
Alright, this is a Portmore 20 road. Give me all of this. Yeah. You know the frog banana. Original, yeah.
We can make you see all kind of arts at Jamaica. Anyhow.
Yeah. Alright. We better have melon though, because we love melon.
We not tell them, man.
Yeah.
Sorry, you know, papaya.
No like a beer.
No papaya, brother.
Yeah, so.
Actually, you weather, man. See? Yeah, man. Come on,
So, in a man?
Yes.
In a arm, man? And we are armed to her.
You know, run now. You.
Shut up.
What time they find your DJ roads?
Think after one, you know, sometime past one. You know.
2 after 1.
2 minutes past one.
2 past 1.
Yeah. I want to see jelly them, there's a jelly there. I know. So see it there, pay if you want to pay the fine for you, know. How you got again? This? Remember that much.
Yeah, how are you going to watch? Oh. Huh? Oh, you had to sit before.
Fresh.
Okay. Yeah, when I put up a gas station for me, so we may come back. We don't buy money. Yeah. No, I'm not going to get it. Look at the water here, sir. We cannot buy me and come and buy food.
So as you see them part, them cut out them, they look a jokey part like, you know. Them have a cut out. Charge me from now on, man, nothing wrong.
How what?
In the meantime, $7.
Yeah, man.
They see that people $7 after the banana.
Yeah, that's like $5, you know.
Alright.
It's okay, Miss, you can pass.
Pass one over, you can't photo bomb me. Just shape it around like it. See that, Jenna?
Banana, you ain't want no banana, no. Stop it, but you get banana.
Alright, banana, them they're the alkaline banana, like them know. Them the good
Yeah,
feel.
the one when I call
Them they're the real iron. Frog banana, the real iron.
The carbine 990.
That's the real iron, mommy.
My banana.
Thank you.
Respect. Manners, my Jen. Ah.
Fine. For the
I don't die, sir.
Oh, it smells so good, guys.
It
It smells so freaking good. Jesus. KFC time. I wish I got some melon though.
Melon, yeah, I try to find melon at the man for you. If the man out there, I get melon, man. I say me love melon too, you know,
Anyways, guys, I'm gonna go get my lunch.
Lunch, no bacon. Everything to lunch, lunch and bacon. Yeah, people, so we just come from the supermarket as you see where they have a supermarket. Bobby tired and she don't feel so well, so I'm gonna show you how we get. So basically, get the Black Forest with cheese. Bobby always like this. You get it from Mega Mart and Fall, you know. Hopefully the same car Progressive that one I come from. Then me, you know, rum cheese. So I'll get a little fruits. As in this here, these are the pine now. And these are the frog banana. These are the original alkaline banana, the real potassium iron banana. I get coconut milk and some chicken, because I cook some chicken. I cook chicken food now. For Bobby actually. So yeah, as you can see, and pot now fully. Show you the main thing. This, so I'm going to make a fricassee chicken with the jerk sauce. You know, nice and sauce. So yeah, that is that. And we get KFC because that was for our lunch, as you said. So yeah, see here, this is progressive. We can't find my card though. Membership card. So yeah, I always look at credits. So. This banana chips you get like you know, in case you want to make like some juice. Bobby said she like lemon on it, so get this now from a chicken. You know, and we look at drinkings, you know, Bobby always like the thing on her thing. Pine, you know, frog banana as me say, it's the original potassium, the real iron, the real banana, the real alkaline. Yeah, no GMO. These are the sweet pine. And some chicken there that I'm going to do with this. See? So, yeah, now, guys.
Okay, guys, so I have a business you guys have to support. Okay? You will see, you will hear her in my video. You would have seen, well, if you want to watch Rolly and all of them people that want to see recently, so she make cake for everybody, okay? She supports all of us. The lighting is not even that great, but she literally supports all of us. And you know, when anybody support me, I just have to genuinely support them. Big up yourself, big up your business. Tell them where they can find you, what you offer, everything. And you guys, her stuff tastes so good. Not even taste good, it look good. Okay, pass good. Okay, me just get my Christmas cake. I'm excited.
Tears of Sweetness on Instagram and Facebook. You can find me there. Specialize in wedding cakes. I specialize in birthday cake, custom cakes, you name it.
Any kind of pastry.
Exactly.
Yes, so you guys go and check her out. I will leave her stuff in the description box and also on the screens. So I want to go check her out and tell us to meet Sonia. Okay, bye. Hey guys, this is Zoe. A couple hours later. Sorry, came home, fell asleep, and then I got woken up when the lady for the cakes came. Where y'all lucky door for? Where y'all lucky door for? Me can't hear that. So yeah, I'm just here watching Netflix. I just put up a video on YouTube. Probably gonna go start editing my next vlog after I eat, but it's Sunday, as I mentioned to you guys before. I think Babe said he did a quick little haul showing you guys what we got from the grocery store. You guys pretty much came along the day with us. We went on the road, got some stuff. You see me get the fruits. Again, the lady came. Babe cooked. I don't know why he didn't vlog, but I'm gonna show you guys what he made. And again, as I said, we're just here watching Netflix. It's raining outside. Why Joel turn off the fan, I don't know, but he is so weird, people. Joel just does the craziest, strangest things. I don't know where he come from. I don't know where he comes from. Honest to God. We in at the house hot, and him turn off the fan. Why Joel turn off the fan? I talk about copyright. Fan can give me copyright? Comment down below, let me know. Anyhow, this is what my husband cooked for me today. It's a jerk country style chicken. Yeah? I don't want to say it wrong, but I saw. Green beans, or green peas, I should say. Rice and peas. And this is my macaroni and cheese from Plush yesterday. Just rewarmed up, added some more cheese to it. It's extra cheesy, and some cucumber on the side. This is my Sunday dinner. Thank you, babe. And yeah, I have a cup of tea to wash it all down. We're gonna watch the second season or series, the second part of the series of Unsolved Mysteries, because babe didn't get to watch it. So we're gonna watch that together. And yeah, as I say, it's already out the door. Nothing, yeah, nothing I keep. So if I keep on a vlog or what? Yeah, it's raining outside. It's Sunday. Nothing I keep. So I don't think we're gonna be doing anything on the road. And yeah, so this is my day today. If there's anything else, I will definitely obviously come back and show you guys. I hope you guys are enjoying my Jamaica vlog so far. I haven't even really got the chance to just like sit down and talk to you guys in regards to even like the airport experience and stuff like that, but it eventually, like, it's just been constant, like on the go, and I haven't really had like a time to like, you know, and then in the midst of that as well, like, I'm making up for lost time. So yeah, but as I said, I hope you guys are enjoying the vlog so far. Don't know or really know what's gonna happen for the rest of the trip. We're just kind of playing everything by ear. Whoever wants to link, we're just linking, that type of stuff. If we don't have to make any links, we're just home. But you guys know I will be going to Montego Bay. A few of my cousins are actually here from Toronto as well. A lot of us came down for the holiday. So I'm probably, when I go to Montego Bay, I probably will be linking up with them. It was Daddy's anniversary earlier this week on Tuesday, the 22nd of December. So I know I do want to take them out to like dinner or something, or just do something with them. And when I go down, so all of that to come. And yeah. But again, like, comment, share, subscribe if you're new. If you're returning, hit the notification bell so you don't miss another video from me. Again, if there is anything interesting, I will come back and share. If not, I will see you guys in the next vlog. Until next time.